kahit anong challenges yung pagdaanan natin, promise ko, hindi kita iiwan, hindi kita bibitawan. Ako yung magiging pahinga mo at sandalan.
Sa 12 taon, di ka sumuko sa mga panahong di ako kamahal-mahal. Mahal mo. Dahil araw-araw, lagi ako yung pinipili.
Biding my time, playing reverse, vengeance in mind. I'll make it hurt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Out on the loose, out on the run. They're on the other side of the gun. My sweetest revenge. 5, 4, 3.
Happy ako kasi na nakarating kami sa ganito. Hindi namin actually nakakalang aabot yun. And happy ako kasi hindi niya ako sinukuhan.
Here's where it all ends. This is where it all ends. In my sweetest revenge. This is how it all burns.
Kahit magkaiba tayo, para sa atin, para sa'yo, iisa tayo.
I will make it hurt. Make it hurt. Pretty little fire burn. I will make it.
Today, I stand here with a heart full of joy and gratitude, ready to commit our journey together as husband and wife.
Silence your tongue. Don't say another word. Coming undone. How does it hurt? I will make it hurt. Make it hurt. Pretty little fires burn.
Let this emotion not be at this moment. Let your emotion you feel today must not be an emotion, but life.
You got that real love. You want to heal the world. So now I am saving mine for us. Never met someone like you. You got this humble heart and sweet like cherry pie.
Babe, I'm giving this watch as my gift to symbolize the time that we are spent and will continuously spend loving and caring for each other. Mahal na mahal kita, Cham. Makita na lang tayo sa altar mamaya. Wala nang atrasan to.
Around the corner is another day. You will see me fall, but I will wait for you to give it up.
I promise na kahit matanda na tayo, magkakulot-kulot na yung balat natin, ikaw at ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Mamahalin kita hanggang magpakailanman.
That real love, you want to heal the world. So now I am saving.
When you come together in the sacrament of matrimony, that union na sa hirap at ginhawa, sa dusa at ligaya, kayo magsasama sa pagmamahalan.
You want to heal the
magustuhan mo itong regalo ko sa'yo. Kaya ito yung gift na napili ko ibigay sa'yo. Kasi like this pair ng sapatos na to, hindi ako makomplete pag wala.
Sobrang saya ko na ikaw yung binigay sa akin ni Lord. Makakaasa ka na hanggang sa huli, ikaw at ikaw pa din.
I promise to love you even more, to choose you every second, every minute, every day, maging kakampi mo sa lahat ng maliliit at malalaking desisyon sa buhay. Hindi ako magsasawang mahalin ka. I love you.
Anumang harapin niyo sa pag-asama ninyo bilang mag-asawa, anumang dumating sa mga trials sa inyong buhay, hindi kayo maghihiwalay dahil una, you have faith in God. Second, love gives to understand each other.